Hello, my name is Denmark Joshua Coronel. We will connect MS Access to bb.net. Open MS Access. I have already created a file named product inventory and a table that has a field namely product ID, product name, and price. Save the table, then close the access. Open Visual Studio. I have already created a project, namely product inventory. Copy the database. Then paste it to the Visual Basic where our project located. Then proceed to the Visual Studio. Click View menu. Click Server Explorer. Right-click the data connection, then click Add Connection. Set data source to Microsoft Access Database File OLEDB. Browse the database file name. Then test connection if it is successful. Click data. Then add new data source. Select data base as the application. Click next. Select dataset as a type of database model we want to use. Since we have already had a connect, we can proceed and click next. Check which database object we want to appear on our data set. Click finish. Click the arrow on the combo box to choose what format do you want to view on your database. Drag the data table to the form. We notice that we already had more to first, previous, next, move to last, add, delete, and save icons. We don't need to create buttons. We will delete the product ID since its data type is auto number on our access. Then we can also create data grid view. Just change the format of the table to data grid view. Drag the table again to the form. Customize the data grid view by checking the arrow on the left corner of the data view. Click Edit Column. Make the product ID invisible by setting its visibility to false. Click OK. We can start debugging our program. To input data, click Add. At the data grid view, we can enter data. To save our input data, click Save. Click Add to add another data.
Hindi pwede kasi ng tuyan. Kasi ito, photo 4 wala nang klase.
If we want,
Ay, ano, bakit ganun? Tayo ang CD. Sa kalak sa loob ng yan. Baka bumili ng kanya. Dati din, mawag mo. Era kayo sa
Bit-bit.
solutions.
Ano?
Ayun na.
if we want to delete the data, click the data we wish to erase, then click. Delete icon. Let's see if the data we input on Visual Basic appears to the MS Access.
Stop.